Hello kids, a very good morning to you all. So, how are you all? I know that all of you are good and safe. Um, Kids, do you remember that in our previous videos we have recalled so many blends, right? So, today also we are going to add some more blends to our series of blends. Okay? So, are you ready? Good. Ma'am is also ready. So, first blend that we are going to recall is CR blend. Okay? C says k, k, k and R says r, r. And when we put both of these consonants together, the sound is blended. Okay? And then the sound is kr, kr. Okay, so let's do some practice. Crazy crocodile. I see a crazy crocodile. He's crunching up my lunch. I see a crazy crocodile. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I see a crazy crocodile. He's crawling up the creek. I see a crazy crocodile. Creep, creep, creep. Now, let's see how many CR blend words were there in this story. Crazy, crocodile, crunching, crunch, crawling, creek, creep. And our next blend is FR blend. F says f, f, f and R says r. And when we put them together, the new sound, the blended sound is fr, fr. Okay, so now let's do some practice of FR blend words. First word is fruit. An apple is a fruit. Next word is French fries. French fries. French fries are yummy. Next word is frozen. Frozen. Ken koala is frozen. Next word frown. Frown. There is a frown on Ken's face. Afro. Afro. I like Jessie's afro. Yes, these type of hairs are called afro. Frog. Frog. The frog is small and green. The frog is small and green. Frisbee. Frisbee. Let's play frisbee. Next word is frightened. Frightened. Jessie is frightened of the ghost. Next word is friendly. Repeat with me. Friendly. The dog is friendly. And the last word is frame, frame. The picture is in a frame. Let's read all the words together. Fruit, French fries, frozen, frown, afro, frog, frisbee, frightened, friendly, frame. And now it's time for the third blend of the day, that is DR blend. Yes, D says D, 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 and R says R. And when we put them together, the new sound is dr, dr, dr. So now let's do some practice to read DR blend words. Drum, drum. I like to play drum. Drum is a musical instrument. Next word is dress. Dress. Oh, I like this dress a lot. What a beautiful dress. Next word is dragon. Dragon. A dragon is a large animal. It has wings. Next word is drink. Drink. I like to drink milk or I like to drink water. Next word is drip. Means to fall in a small drops. The water is dripping down through the roof. Very nice. Next word is draw. Draw. I know you like to draw beautiful pictures. Here I have drawn a flower. Next word is drive. My father likes to drive the car. And now it's time for the fourth and last blend of the day, that is PL blend. P says P, 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 and L says L, L. And when we put them together, the blended sound is pl, pl, pl. Now let's do some practice to read PL blend words, and then we will make the sentence of those words. Okay? Plane, plane. A plane can fly in the sky. Next word that we have is planet. Planet. This planet is very big. Repeat with me. This planet is very big. Yes. Next word is plant. Plant. The plant is growing. The plant is growing. Plate. Plate. Put some food on the plate. Put some food on the plate. Let's read the next word. Play. You all like to play? Yes, I know. So, Jessie and Cain play together. Jessie and Cain play together. Please. Please. Please wash the baby. Please wash the baby. Next word is pliers. Pliers. Give me the pliers. You must have seen your father using this sometimes, right? Give me the pliers. Plug. Plug. Have you seen the plug? Plug in the cell phone. Plug in the cell phone. Let's see the next word. Plum. Plum. The plum is purple. Can you see its color? The plum is purple. Next word is plus. Plus. 12 plus 12 is 24. Yes. Now, let's read all the words together. Plane, planet, plant, plate, play, please, pliers, plug, plum, plus. Very nice. So kids, I hope that now all of you have recalled these 4 blends. So it's time for some homework, and in your homework you have to write 2 words of each blend. Okay? And after that you have to make sentences also from those words. Okay? So that's it for today. I'll see you all in the next learning video. Till then, bye bye and take care.